Hello students. No, you all are my dear students. This is the sixth part of this chapter, IO organization. Now we'll learn what is destination initiated handshaking method. From the name we can guess something that it is destination initiated method. That means destination initiates the transmission like strobe pulse method. Let's see what is the block diagram of it. Source unit, destination unit. So destination is initiating the data transfer by sending a poking signal. In strobe pulse method the name was strobe pulse or strobe signal. Here the name is ready for data. After getting this signal ready for data, source places data on data bus. So data bus. Also it has to respond or also source unit has to make destination unit know that I have sent you data. Please accept it. The name of this signal is data valid. Clear? Destination unit is initiating by sending ready for data. After getting that, source unit sends data on data bus. Also it sends data valid signal to destination unit, right? Now it's time to draw the sequence of steps or sequence of events. The sequence of events, source unit and destination unit. The first thing is destination unit sends ready for data because it is ready to accept data. First step. Now it's source unit's turn. After getting ready for data signal, it places data on data bus and enables data valid. Write it. Now it's destination unit's turn. After getting data valid, it accepts data from data bus and disables ready for data. Now it's source unit's turn. It will definitely disable data valid and it will data bus invalidation. Now draw the sequence. First this second, third step, fourth step. After that it goes to initial state. This is how it goes, right? Now it's time to draw the timing diagram, taking help from this. Three signals are there. One is data valid, data bus, data valid and ready for data. Who will be rising first? Take help from this. Destination unit sends ready to accept data first. So ready for data, rising edge. After that places data on data bus, then data valid. After that, data bus, then data valid. Now who will be falling first? Disables ready for data, then data valid, then data bus. So ready for data will be falling first, then data valid, then invalidated data on data bus. This is valid data. Now we have to draw the sequence. First thing is ready to accept data, then data bus, then data valid. This is first, then data bus, then data valid. After that, disables ready for data, then data valid. Done.